Thank you, Nadine. For starters, let me just say that I do feel I don't get intimidated very easily, but certainly not being the only non-doctor or non-professor participant in here, I do feel a bit like a pair of sneakers that are formal. If you know what I mean. For me, AI is not a market, it's a tool. It's a very valuable tool that we need to explore in terms of its use and ensure there is not misuse. I operate within the tech and the media sectors. Somebody's asked me to admit somebody something. Okay. Anyway, I operate within the tech and media sector, and I've seen the explosion of AI everywhere. Everybody is AIing something. For me, and I use analogy so I can explain things to myself. AI is just kind of like a search engine on steroids. And I think that one of the things we have to do is to really get over this initial excitement about AI being a huge market. It's going to change our lives and so on and so forth. I'm old enough to remember when we said this thing about the microprocessors and laptops and the PC and of course the mobile phones and so on and so forth. So, fundamentally though, I'm very excited and looking forward to, trying to find a way to, cooperate and maybe shape some of these concerns that I have jointly.